Alrighty, just gonna make it a quick little show how to put how I put the O-rings back in the tips of the valves. First of all, that's a 90 Duro 9mm outer diameter, 6mm inner diameter, and it's 1.5 millimeters cross section or thickness. But yeah, I like to use just like a little Allen key, a little tiny one, or you can use something like this, or just pretty much anything that's thin and solid. But yeah, when I do this, these O-rings are they're pretty hard, the 90 Duros, and the stock Umarex ones as well. I got a bunch right here. That's the 7 joule HDR valve one, that green one. And the clear one is from the 11 joule valve. This is the one we're putting in, the 90 Duro. And this is the Mercury Rise torpedo launcher one. It's actually 1 millimeter bigger and 0.5 millimeter thicker cross section. But yeah, we're going to be putting this one in. And what I like to do is, if you can just kind of fold it and get the tip in there. Whoops. Just kind of, whoops, there we go. Get that tip down in there. Can be tricky. There, and then once you get it in, you just kind of use the Allen key to hold the O-ring in the slot once you just put the tip in. And then I kind of work it in with my finger after that. It usually goes right in. Oh, fold it out. All right, let's try that again. Hold on, let me get the camera down a bit more. Yeah, so we just kind of work it so we get the tip in there. Oh, that didn't work. All right, so I think the tip's in there now. So there's the piece of the O-ring that's not in. And then you just kind of force it down and in the sides. There, just like that. See? Hold on, let me see. Get my light here. Not sure if you guys can see that in there. It's the black, there it is. But yeah, so so what I basically did was you take the O-ring and just kind of fold it. There, so you got like the tip kind of folded. And then you just, right like this, press it in sideways into the slot. And when you're doing that, your pin here will press over to the side with it, like that, and put pressure pulling down. And then you push the rest of it in with your finger and it'll just pop right in. So, yeah, guys, just, it's an easy way to put it back in. Sometimes you get in one shot, sometimes it takes a couple tries, but usually within 5 minutes, 3 minutes, you'll get it in instead of wrestling with all day. I remember trying to put these in for my first time too. That and the M17 or the M17. And for the M17, John Wixon makes a tool for it at the Wixon shop, I believe it's called. But anyways, guys, yeah, that's just how I put the O-ring back in the valve. Take care, guys.